there everybody and welcome. Today we're going to open up 2 Kinder Surprise eggs and 1 frozen surprise egg. So let's go ahead and let's start with the Kinder egg. So let's pick this middle one. Let's go ahead and open this up first and see what we get inside. Okay, love that chocolate. All right, so we open that up. Let's see what we have here. Okay, if I can open it. There we go. What do we have here? Let's see. All right, quite a few pieces here to put together. And it looks like a ball, like a sphere kind of thing you put together. Oh, that's so neat. So I'm going to go ahead and build it. Let's see how easy this is. Let's go ahead and check out the pieces. So it's saying go ahead with orange and then this aqua color, I want to say, and place this, if I have it right, inside. Okay, great. I think that's right. Let's see. Kind of these all interlock. Let's hope I'm doing this right. So I don't know if there's a certain way. I'm probably doing something wrong here. Let's see. Well, it looks like a little lopsided to me. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. So let's see. They're showing another color here, aren't they? No, I'm doing it right. Okay, just want to make sure I'm doing this right. So let's go ahead and see if I can just get this together. Awesome. All right, so far so good. Not too bad. Trying to separate all the colors so they're none of the same color are next to each other, I hope. Okay, and this side interlocks here. There we go. So far so good. Okay, and one more piece. And I think I got that right. Yep, I think it goes this way. There we go. Last piece. And whoops, sorry, got that. All right, all the interlocking pieces. Great, so there we go. Neat little plastic ball. I love it. All right, very nice. Let's place this here with our collection. Move all these things aside and let's open our next Kinder Surprise egg. So there we go. Let's go ahead and get this off. Here we go. Chocolate. Open that up. Yummy chocolate as always. All right, and what do we have this time? This time we have, whoa, okay. I thought there were a lot of pieces, but no. It's like a flower. It looks like a flower. Oh, it's a flower ring. All right. So let's go ahead and build this or put it together. So this goes in the center, I want to say. And there we go. And put this right on top. See if I can, whoa, it doesn't really click. Ah, there we go. Yes, it does. Let me try to fix these petals here. I think I got it. All right, pretty neat. I'll have to try to flatten those out a little more, but very nice little ring. There we go. Awesome. See that? All right, so let's place that there. Oops, let's place that there. And now for our last egg, we've got a frozen egg. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, let's see what we get here. Whoops. Oh, that one broke. Okay, now this is a lot bigger. Looks a little bigger to me, maybe not. And who do we have? Oh, Sven. Awesome. Put them on your necklace or on your bracelet. Very cool. All right. You know, I was thinking I should have said it before. I do like Sven. But then again, I like all the characters. So let's open it up so we can see it a lot better. There we go. If you can see that good. Sven for a necklace or a bracelet. All right. Let's place that here. And there we go. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe if you did. And I plan on opening a lot more Kinder eggs, surprise eggs, and lots of blind bags and Shopkins. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.